In this video, I will show you how to use JustLogin eClaim. Click on the eForm button. You will see a list of forms. The available forms varies depending on what had been enabled by your administrator. I am going to use the local expense claim form as an example. Though each form format varies slightly, the way to fill in the form remains the same. Once the form opens, you should see your name as the applicant. At Approver 1, select your immediate superior that will approve your claim. Select the second approver if there is any, if not select none. At the last field, you will see the finance person's name who will be the one reimbursing the claim. Now to fill up the claim, at the date column, indicate the date which you incurred the claim. Select the expense type from the drop-down list. Enter a description. This field is optional. Enter the amount incurred for this expense. To attach the receipt, click on the cloud upload symbol which is located at the very end of the row. Find the scanned receipt from your computer. Click on the attached button. If your attached document has space or other special character except hyphen or underscore, the system will not accept it. It will prompt you this error message. Rename the file to the correct format. Reattach the file using the same method. Click on the attached button. Click on the Here button to complete the attachment. Once successfully done, you should see a paperclip icon. Scroll down and click on Recalculate Total. If you do not want to submit now but want to save the form for future use, you can click on the Save as Draft. The system will bring you back to the first page, which is the Forms page. You will see a form number generated for the form. To continue to use the same form for additional claims, click on the Pending Actions. Click on No Number. You should see the form that has yet to be completed. Go to the Action column and click on the icon. This will open up the form. Continue to add an additional claim as previously shown. After entering all the new claims, remember to click on the Recalculate Total. Click on the Submit button to submit your claim. Once the form has been submitted, you should see the message of no outstanding tasks at the Pending Action page. To track the status of your claim, you can click on the Form History tab. Notice that for the form you had just submitted, you can see at the waiting column that your claim is waiting for your approver to approve. Once your approving officer has approved, the claim will automatically be sent to the finance person. Notice that the status has been changed from approval to waiting to be reimbursed. Notice also that the waiting column now reflects the finance person as opposed to the approving person. Once the finance person reimburses the claim, the entire process is complete. You will see that the claim will be changed to a status of processed. If you wish to check what you had submitted, you can click on this icon and the system will download the claim form you submitted onto your system. If you wish to check when your approving officer and finance person approve your claim, you can click on the book icon. You will be able to see the history of when you submit as well as which date and time the approving and finance person approved the claim. You can also check all the attachments by simply clicking on the paperclip and then click on the individual attachment to view them. You have just saw the video on how to use eClaim.